DI Industrial has been in business since 1994. It focuses mainly on high-precision machine parts, sub-assemblies, machines and complex devices made according to customer specifications. The company manufactures high-precision mechanical components for, but not limited to, cryogenic and laboratory applications and electron microscopy. The company also offers material and surface treatments, such as anodizing or nickel plating. The company's technological competencies include mechanical machining and grinding and assembly of electromechanical modules. Cost reduction and efficiency improvement are the main tools that keep DI Industrial highly competitive. In September 2015, the company invested in a new CNC turning center to increase production capacity. Among our references customers are Tescan, Oxford Instruments or AJ de Praha.